I've got an antique Singer model 128 hand crank version. Serial number is AA942710, which dates it to March of 1926, and we should all look this good at 93. Machine's got the gray plates, all the chrome, paint, decals, all in very good condition. And the hand crank, original hand crank, because it has the matching decals on it. There's some marks here where there was like a little pin needle holder. Also, to show you, it comes with the oak. Well, let's put it over top, I guess. The oak case, which you don't see that often. But like I said, everything's very good condition. Just want to show you how well it stitches. Got 4 layers of denim. They were already stitched once. And I'll go through one more time. Maybe a little tricky seeing, but it's got an equal stitch. And just to show you, this is paper towel, so you'll be able to, should definitely be able to see the stitch from this. Comes with a set of attachments and everything. Well, that's a little tricky too to see. You can see a little better on the back. But no skip stitches. Really an incredible machine. You don't see them in this condition that often. And there you have it.